Hey, hello, how are you today on this cloudy morning? It's supposed to be 28 degrees Celsius uh, today, the top of. Well, I'm not feeling it at the moment. But anyway, who gives a fuck? This ain't no goddamn weather channel, motherfucker. We're here to talk about chili bacon. Yes, sir. Now, this has been in the freezer downstairs in the garage for quite a time. As you can see there, the best before date is May 10th of May 23, which is last year. So this has been in the freezer for nearly a year, maybe more. I remember when my wife got it, and I subsequently forgot we had it. It was in the freezer. Then I was putting some stuff in the freezer yesterday. No, hang on. This was in the top freezer. I can't fucking remember, to be honest. Yeah, I drank last night. I know. Time to go to another meeting, maybe. Yeah. I've only been to one, so. Anyway, fuck all that bullshit. We're here to talk about chili bacon. Or here to see how it tastes. So yeah, I'll get the frying pan heated up and I'll be back. Okay, so the pan's heating up nice. I reckon we can put the bacon on there now. It definitely smells like decent bacon. Get out. Okay, one strip. Two strip. I'm going to cook it all because, it's been in the freezer for a year, so I don't want to leave it too long, so I'm just going to cook it all. You can eat it when it's cold, it's dried out a bit. Add it on a sandwich. Okay, so there we go. That'll be bacon cooking, that bit. Okay, so I'll get back to you when it's done, and we'll see how it tastes, this chili bacon. Oh, okay. So this is the bacon. I kind of overly fried it. I won't say completely burnt, but yeah, it's looking pretty crispy, which is good. So yeah, chili bacon. Yeah, this is like very much like American bacon. It's really thin and crispy. Fucking hell. Yeah, you can taste the chili on there. Oh fuck yeah! I mean, you could see the chili flakes and the marinated onion. It was just called chili bacon. It didn't really specify how hot it would be. Not usually don't, do it? But usually they'll give it some kind of bell end name like Fiery Devil Bacon, all that bullshit. But no, this is from I think my wife got this from a farmer's market. It's from Old Way Farms. They do it old way, like in old country. Old country. Yeah, I reckon Sam wants. I don't know if I should give the dog there. A little bit like that. There you go, Sammy boy. So yeah, this is good. Crispy bacon. Oh. Initially, I was going to have this for like breakfast. I mean, this is technically, well, Could call this second breakfast. I know I did an Irish accent. I was trying to do a Hobbit. You know, they have second breakfast. So I only had an omelette and some toast. Yeah, good. Really crispy. Look out. That is. I wasn't expecting it to be this hot. As a personal favour to myself, I used the grease, the fat from the bacon, and did some fried bread. I only really fried on one side because that soaks all the grease, but yeah. Like that. Sam's vibrating at my feet. You like it, Sam? Eh? I'm gonna give you too much. I'll give you the wild shite. Don't want to be doing hot farts all fucking day. Day off work, I don't want to be sat in a house full of hot farts. Unless they're my own, of course. Yeah. Sorry about that. Jesus. Oh. Yeah, I definitely don't think I'm going to do this in only one sitting. But it's great. This kind of crispy and cherry like this, it almost could be like treated like a jerky, maybe. I don't mean take it out somewhere, and I suppose you could, but I mean you can put it in the fridge and have a nibble on it throughout the day, which is what I intend to do. Ah, nice little protein snack, really. Yeah, so, you know, see how like blackened and charred it is. Still tastes good. That's all the fat in it crisping up, making it crispy. Making it like American bacon. Try a bit with the fried bread. Let's do the whole experience here. Clash of cultures: fried bread and American bacon, American chili bacon. Call it Mexican bacon, maybe. Oh. It's such a simple thing, fried bread. It is such a simple pleasure, though. I think fried bread originated from when people were doing a fry up. They bung the bread in there, fry it off to cook off the oil. I'll have one more bit of this chili bacon. And get a pinky bit. Try a pinky bit. It's not as crispy. Wow. Yeah, like I said, Old Way Farms is the name of the farm that does this. Probably look them up online or whatever, I'm not sure where they are. I didn't look on the packaging. But yeah. Keep meaning to go to the farmers markets. Next time one's on and not working, I'll have a trip. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bit of a quick, simple one. Well, not too simple. I actually, I'd say, did some cooking, but just fried some bacon. I mean, it counts as cooking. So, but yeah, if you want to do a video on this, it's been in the freezer for a year. I thought the time is now, and yeah, that was very good. Nice crispy bacon. Chili hit that took me by surprise. Wasn't expecting it to be that hot. Although I should have been, because I could see the chili flakes on it. And the rubbing. Oh. But anyway, thank you for watching. Oh, and you can take that to the bank. But yeah, like and subscribe. And yeah, until next time, rock on, Tommy.